Today I'm diving into the code of a simple OpenGL program that renders a triangle using SDL2 and GLEW. These are libraries. I'll show you how I'm starting to map it all out in a diagram, and I'll share my plan to like learning and mastering this code over the next few days. So yeah, it's day 20 of documenting my journey of creating SpaceWise, my space mission simulator, and right now in this stage I'm just studying computer graphics and trying to get the basics down, because my plan is to make this app in OpenGL and SDL2 using C++, creating the app on C++, and yeah, that's my plan. So yeah, let's get started. Let me show you what I've been doing today. So if you haven't seen it before, this is the diagram that I'm doing right now. Not very complete, but yeah, yesterday I was studying the rendering pipeline on this course. From who's this guy? Ben Cook. It's in Udemy. So yeah, I was studying that, and right now what am I doing? So I'm doing this thing. My plan is to study the whole code of a simple program in OpenGL that renders, for example, a triangle, and I want to really study it and understand it really well. So what I'm gonna do is just put some code. Bro, I can't speak, my brain doesn't work. I'll just screenshot part of the code and then I'll do this and explain what it does. How am I gonna explain what it does if I don't know what it does, right? If I don't understand the code? Well, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT and Perplexity and AI to explain it for me. They're gonna be like my teachers right now, and it's crazy. You can do this like nowadays. You can have teachers for free that are really good and explain concepts really well. It's actually crazy. I'm happy to be alive right now on this moment. So where was I? Yeah, and here's gonna be a theory, like what steps do I have to take to build this simple program. I'll explain the code, and yeah, that's basically it. Now this is what I was doing, and let me show you something that I've done right now, like couple bro, sorry, excuse me. So yeah, let me show you the code. So this, I did not do this. Chill out, I did not do this. It was full courtesy of ChatGPT. And now you might think, now this is absolutely useless, right? Like ChatGPT did this, like what? Whoa, like why? Like you're actually not doing anything here. So yeah, that's the plan. The plan is not doing anything. The plan is studying this code and then this code, and then asking ChatGPT, why is this code here? Why is it like this? And then doing the print and putting it on the diagram. And then after I have explained the code, I'm gonna be using learning techniques to really get the knowledge in my brain and really understand it. So I'll be using Feynman technique, which is explaining the concept to someone that has, like, for example, a 12-year-old that doesn't really know anything about programming, for example, or computer graphics. I'll be using spaced repetition, which is like you study after you first get exposed to the information, you come back and study it again in 2 days, then in 7 days, then in 14 days, then in 21, something like that. And it also depends on the difficulty. If, for example, you had a learning session and it was really hard, then you want, like, for example, if you had if it was day 7 and you were supposed to do the next session on day 14, if it was really hard on day 7, you would do it on day 10, for example. Like you would do it a bit earlier because it was really hard. So that's my plan, and yeah, and just create questions and test myself. Basically, just learn all of this. And yeah, I have also set up GitHub over here. So I've created a branch for testing, and this is what I was doing before, and this is what's on my diagram right now and what I was explaining. So yeah, I wanted to set this up so I can learn GitHub and Git, because right now I'm learning basically. I haven't really used this much. I need to learn. So what else can I say? I think, to be honest, that's gonna be it for today. I think it is. How much time am I doing this? Ooh, 7 minutes. Wait. Yeah, I guess. And here's the repository. I've also been trying to get the libraries to work, because for SDL to work and for GLEW to work, I need to like do a bunch of stuff in the directories, and I need to go to here and here and just go to the general and put a bunch of things here, connect everything. My explanation is so trash, bro. Like add libraries, libs, you know, make everything work. Add this, then I don't know, a bunch of stuff. If you want me to explain that, then comment that and I will do a video on it. So yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, let's do it. So bye bye. I wish you a very good one. See you in the next day 21.